All right, so I wanted to say a few words about my friend Max. Number one, he is very interesting, isn't he? He is a fascinating human being, and he will be at the RTR or in the area this January. So if you have a chance to meet up with him, definitely. Oh my gosh, he is one of the most interesting men I have ever met. He is well learned. He studies an awful lot. Yeah, he's a very smart man. This year he's renting at the LTVA Visitor Center. He actually, I believe he purchased a small vintage trailer that he's fixing up. Yeah, all we do is we have fun. Oh my gosh, he is a ton of fun, and he's really into his health. That is what I really enjoy about him. His honesty, his integrity. Like I said, when you come to the RTR, you are going to meet these wonderful people like my friend Roadrunner Max. All right, let me begin the video. I'm sorry the sound isn't that great, but he goes over different things that he has in his van, and his van is totally different than my friend Kate's van. I do like Kate's setup. I like his setup, so I just have to figure it out. Max also travels with 2 inflatable kayaks. He likes kayaking. I like kayaking too, but I never thought about traveling with a kayak. Well, he shows, I mean, you can be in a minivan and, you keep it to a couple of things, like I want to go kayak and I want to do this, I want to do that. And then you live your best life. You really do. You can't bring it all with you, but then again, you don't have 2,000 hours in a day. Anyhow, let's go visit with my good friend Max. Oh my gosh, and check out his wonderful little minivan. All right, and as usual, I will see you down the road. Bye. Go ahead.
Books and videos underneath this floorboard.
Underneath what floorboard?
Well, that's I took the seats out.
Yeah.
So there's stow and go. I call them basements.
Oh my gosh.
Mhm.
Okay, my van doesn't have that.
No.
But the back, I have a big hole, basically. All right, so you keep foldable or
It's
inflatable?
Inflatable.
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 And can you,
Kayaks.
if you wanted to, could you just pull out this to get into it?
It has a life vest in each one of them.
Wow.
It has an electric inflator and a pump inflator, so I have the choice of both
Wow.
pumps. And there's other dry boxes in each.
Okay.
There's a dry box for your phone and other things.
Right.
And it's
Now, is this one continuous piece of wood? And do you know how?
It's 28 inches wide.
28 inches
and
wide.
6 foot long.
6 foot long. And what kind of mattress do you have?
It's a
Ooh, very nice sheets.
it's a 5-inch memory foam.
Cool. Oh, a memory foam that you can just buy at a store? You don't have to unwrap it. You didn't cut the mattress down from like at Joann's where they have that.
I got it on Amazon.
Uh-huh.
I had to cut it down from like 3 foot to 28 inches.
Okay.
This is how wide it is.
Yes, I do have that problem a lot. All right. The camp chair, you use that a lot.
Camp chair, and this is my 3-legged stool chair.
Do you like your 3-legged stool
It's
chair?
wonderful. It's a bigger one than normal.
Okay.
It has a spring-loaded shock in the front of it.
Uh-huh.
It's a comfy. People like it.
Oh, that is nice. Your walking stick. What size jackery do you have?
I have a 290 and a 160.
290 and a 160.
This is a standard jackery 60 watt.
Ah.
It charges both of them
All right.
in parallel. I mean, I hook them both up or just one. It depends what I'm doing.
Gotcha. You got a great smile, Max. Could we go to the other side and see what it looks like? All right. No. Oh, there's your Barbie. You suggested that to me, and that was fantastic. I love seeing that movie. So you carry a lot of DVDs in case the internet is spotty?
Oh, well, in the evenings I just watch a movie now and then.
Gotcha. Yeah.
And I do have, I have Prime. I can watch videos on my phone.
Yes.
And then I have a holder that holds it when I'm laying down.
Right.
So with the
Ooh.
my van has a I can clip this onto that console.
Oh, that is so
above.
neat. My van doesn't have
Yeah,
that.
see, I can just clip it on.
Oh, wow.
The phone goes right here.
Gotcha.
And I can sit here and watch.
Nice. Nice.
But again, here's that. Well, okay. Behind that piece of wood are fishing poles.
Oh, you are a fisherman.
My paddles from both kayaks.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
They're behind that piece of wood there.
Wow, that's wonderful. And
one Jackery is a 290.
how do you like the Jackery brand?
I like it okay because it's the only ones I've really ever had.
Gotcha.
Because I bought them, I own them. This one is 2 years old. The other one's 5 years old now.
Wonderful. And you use them every day?
Yeah.
Yep.
This one is I use it when I'm occasionally, but the little 160 is just to use it every day. Charge my phone. I'll charge my flashlights.
Gotcha.
On this one, along with I run my fans, my USB fans. At night. I need them.
Nice.
So, and I have probably 5.
What is that?
These are very powerful. 1200 lumens.
Okay.
And they have you can either charge your other things from this.
Uh-huh.
The battery pack is strong.
Oh, wow, that's neat.
Powerful.
Where do you get something like that
I
at?
got them all at Walmart.
Walmart, okay.
They don't have these anymore. But this is 1200 lumens. That's very powerful. I mean, it'll go out there 100 yards easy.
Gotcha. That is nice.
And so it's a little messy.
All right. Do you cook indoors or outdoors?
Occasionally.
Okay.
If it's a windy, dusty, cold day.
Oh my gosh, this is so smart. You can use that as a table.
Burner right here.
Oh my
I'll
gosh.
sit there in my seat, and a lot of times I will. Sometimes I get it to work.
Okay. That's smart though.
And I'll leave it open about this much.
Gotcha. But sometimes it's just stubborn like this morning. All right. So another question.
Right there.
There we go.
And it'll stop cooking.
All right. So when I use my butane stove, what I do is, that's great for cooking. I put a cookie sheet down. It's never melted, that chair?
Yeah.
Okay.
It never has.
Okay. I trust you. I trust you.
I got an avocado right there laying there.
Oh, very good. Very healthy for you. Now, what do you use the front seat for? Storage?
Yeah.
Okay.
Road gear.
Road gear.
That
You don't have to show.
yeah, I got a new Ryobi saw.
Oh, that's
I
nice.
have several. There's my water, my 32 bottles of water.
Smart.
Some Propel or something like that.
Yep, love it.
And more books and videos,
Cool.
maps.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And I have some hiking shoes down in there.
Cool. All right. Well, thank you, Max, for showing us your beautiful home on
If
wheels.
you don't think it's too cluttered or
I love it. It
you're
feels...
welcome to use the video.
Thank you. It feels very spacious in there. You know, like I said, I can't move around in mine like I should,
Okay.
but you've given me some really good ideas.
So it works great. I've got this main setup since I started. So,
It's wonderful.
and I had a little buddy heater at one time.
Uh-huh.
And it worked. I've used it 3 times in 4 years, so it's in my storage unit up in Quartzsite.
Did you like it?
I liked it. But
Okay.
as it gets older, it gets dirtier. Something happens into the screen that lights up.
Right.
Some people say it gets residue or something. I don't know how you clean it.
Right.
They blow it out or something. But it takes longer and longer to get warmed up to where it'll stay lit.
Gotcha.
But it still works.
Thank you. Thank you, Max. All right. Come join me in upcoming videos where we celebrate Fleet Week and, of course, some mighty handsome sailors. I go for a boat ride and a salute to the Coast Guard. Now then, we will visit Bob Hope Memorial and visit the Kiss. We all know about the Kiss from World War II. And why not talk about graffiti? We went to an interesting art exhibit. Okay, Lucy is home.
What is it?
Lucy, can you use your words? What? What is it? Can you use your words? What? You know where we're at the minute we pulled up, huh? Okay. And a cheap eat that was a total fail. All right, we will see you down the road. Bye.